Hello everyone, welcome back. I've got an epic video for you today. Hope you enjoyed the ride. As soon as the biker hopped on the bike, bam, witnessed a hit and run right away. This right here is a lesson for all of us. Never ride assuming everyone else will follow the rules. Always stay alert.
What the hell? This is not your lane! That's the lane!
I'm in my lane!
This lane goes that way! This lane goes that way! You're in the wrong lane!
No, I'm not!
You were in the wrong lane!
Look what this says!
Hey, dumbass! That lane is the lane you were in!
I am in my
You were in this lane! I have video! Hi, I was just in an accident in the roundabout that's on 161 and Riverside. I don't know. I still have plenty of adrenaline, so maybe not. I was on a motorcycle, she was in a vehicle. No, you gotta pull off. Or just sit in the lane too. Okay, fine, whatever.
This biker pulled a wheelie and managed to tick someone off enough that they actually got out of their car to confront him.
I have you on video. I'm having you arrested.
Okay. I don't give a f.
Yeah, apparently.
Do I give a f? Get the f back in your car. Come on. Get in your car. Get back in your car.
You better go with you.
You go ahead. We got 2 videos,
Yeah,
bud.
I got some video. You're
We
right.
both do.
Yeah, you're goddamn right. You are a menace to society.
A menace to society.
A menace to society. That's right.
I doubt that. Doubt that, faggot.
Pulling stunts in traffic? Very risky, but reacting that way and approaching someone that aggressively is also very risky. I know some of you might get heated over this one, but you can't just force your way in. Doing that to a biker will definitely spook them.
Dacă ești prost, fii măcar prost până la capăt, așa-i? Ești prost, de îngheață apa! Ești prost, bâtă, prostule, ești prost de îngheață apa! Mai ai și copil în mașină!
Everyone involved was visibly uncomfortable, and all that drama could have been avoided with just a bit of courtesy. Here's some backstory for this clip. This happened in the biker's hometown. There is some history between him and the other guy, involving his son too, but on this particular day things flared up again. The biker was heading home from the post office and passed a van going under the speed limit. The van driver flipped him off and started chasing him. Things went downhill fast.
What is your problem?
Sorry, mate?
What's your problem? Got a problem, have you? With me?
No, I don't.
Why give me the f***ing finger? Why come around me being stupid? Well, you got a problem. Sort it out now.
Well, I'm about to be run over by some ass in the car.
I don't give a f***. Sort it out now.
Look, you're able to f***ing leave me alone, mate.
Well, why give me the finger? I'm f***ing coming
Hey,
around
you
me
tell
stupid.
Roachy here to f*** off.
That's my son you're talking about.
Pass the house one more time, cut. Mean it.
Hey.
I will give it to you because I'm f***ing sick of it, right?
Okay.
Drive past me because you've given me the f***ing
No,
finger
I
too.
didn't mean that, though.
Bull.
What about me down there on
okay.
Tottenham Road?
Great.
Yeah, great. I think you're good on a motorbike, eh?
You mind?
Do you mind?
I've done nothing to you.
What? This ain't nothing. Coming around me stupid ain't nothing. Huh?
Call cops now. I will.
First shot, no hand.
These guys were out there testing their skills. Many of them crashed, but this biker took a very solid hit.
Sumo Sunday ride out here. Yeah. Oh! Oh! Shooty. Bro, have a seat. Whoo, just slammed it. Up like this and bailed off the. Whew, you good? A little slam, bro. James out there making it look easy. Well, first crash of the day, you know how it goes.
You left your money, your change?
I used to. Oh, did. You were the best. Thank you.
No problem.
Hey, you didn't have to run out. I appreciate that, though. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Awesome. I hope you have a blessed day.
Yeah, you too.
Oh, that was really nice of her.
Good people are still out there, even though it's very rare to see. It's great to catch someone doing the right thing. Big shout out to this lady. Biker lost focus for just a second, and trust me, bikers, that's more than enough for you to crash. In this situation, the farmer only had to wait another 2 seconds. But as bikers, we've gotta be extra patient to stay safe.
Couldn't wait, could ya? You couldn't wait, could ya? What? What? You couldn't wait, could ya? Oh, you could have just waited for us to go past. Oh, man. Get your frog, look at these bitches. Doing you prick. Come here then, come here. Come over here, you coming in. Coming in.
If you ever come across drivers like this one, give yourself some space. Being in front of them is not a very good idea.
Yours is the loudest.
No, I wish.
This driver completely ignored the biker's safety, but not just the biker's safety.
Okay. There's a car. I can't.
No.
Oh.
Any Google Maps going through the system is now allowed, and it's also coming through yours. There must be a sort of sharing.
Me.
Close.
Oh.
Just when you think it's over, they come back for round 2.
What are you reversing for?
He's not looking.
Alright, you ready? We're gonna go. Oh, never mind. Ryan, can you not see the whole parking lot's taken up? Where do you think you're going? He's gonna hit the kid in a second as well. Bastard, Jesus Christ.
When you're riding, it's crucial to always be looking ahead. It's also crucial to see the things ahead of time. Always scan for hazards before they catch you by a surprise. two cars were following each other closely. The first car slammed on the brakes, and the second one barely had enough time to react, but they ended up crashing anyway. Taking a slow turn can be way trickier than you think. This one totally caught the biker off guard. This guy just kept getting more and more mad.
Hey, man. Some kind of are you? Some kind of talking about? Turning, mate. You come right that course. Somebody went into it.
Keep your eyes open. You got your camera.
Check your eyes, mate, and you make a middle finger to that.
Keep your eyes open. If not,
Why are you so angry?
take your camera off and we'll go round Bishop's Park and we'll sort it
Bishop's
out.
Park, yeah? Alright, down, mate.
Take your camera off.
Let's go.
Take your camera off.
You're in the wrong, mate.
Come on, follow me.
Alright, let's go.
Follow me.
Yeah.
Come on. Sergeant, you just...
You're in the wrong, mate.
You're on a bike.
You're in the wrong.
Prick. You're on a bike, you prick.
You're in the wrong, mate.
Come on, you big fucking bike.
You're in the wrong, mate.
Prick. Come on.
Why you me? You was in the wrong.
Come on, you big fucking prick on your big
After you, mate.
fucking bike.
After you, mate.
But seriously, who do you think was in the wrong here? Drop your thoughts in the comments. YouTube thinks you're going to enjoy this video.